I'm from Sudan. Coming to Rwanda, I was actually surprised. The people are welcoming. Rwandans love their country, their language. I learned how to be forgiving and to love each other. I would describe my academic experience as intense and challenging, but in a way that makes you grow. Kepler prepared me for my career by giving me practical learning experience that helped me apply what I learned. We also worked in projects that are related to what we are studying. My two favorite subjects in business analytics is human resource management and Python. Human resource management is all about how you manage people, and then Python is about predictive analysis. You gather the data, you predict what's going to happen in the future, you give insights. When you combine this, you help the organization to know what would happen in the future. To any student considering Kepler, I'd say be flexible, open-minded, and open to experience, as you will grow both professionally and personally in ways you don't expect.